All right, so this right here is a video that's all about how to do breath of fire, okay? Breath of fire is a pranayama breathwork practice, and it's really, really good for energizing the body. But I'll go into the philosophy and, you know, the benefits of this practice in another video after you watch this video. But this is simply how you practice and, you know, do the exercise. So what you want to do is first start off with 5 conscious breaths, okay? 5 conscious breaths, and then from these 5 conscious breaths, you then want to move into the practice, okay? Now, the practice consists of you forcing the exhale out of your belly, okay? Not forcing the oxygen in. So when the oxygen is coming into the body, the stomach is just relaxing. You're not forcing your belly to poke out, okay? You're just allowing the air to come back into your vessel, okay? And the way that looks is like this. Shoulders not moving, chest not moving. The only thing that is moving is your diaphragm, is your stomach, okay? So how that would look is like this. Breathe in, right? And then breathe out. I'm not forcing the air in, I'm forcing the air out, okay? The air that's coming in is just simply coming in. I'm not forcing it to come in. I'm forcing the exhale only through my nose. And then when I release, whatever comes in is what comes in, okay? So you do that for about 30 reps. And then from there, you end the practice with 5 conscious breaths, okay? It's a way of becoming aware, being conscious, and, you know, ultimately entering and exiting the breathwork practice.